Buying life insurance isn't about getting a policy, it's about getting the right kind of policy from the beginning. Too many people rush into coverage without understanding what they're really signing up for. So before you make a move, here are 7 things you must check to make sure your policy actually protects you and your family the way you actually think it does. It's important you follow these directions, folks. Number 1, let's get into it. Know why you're buying it. That's an important thing to understand. Is it for income replacement, debt payoff, legacy planning, or something else? Your reason should drive the type of policy and the amount of coverage that you're seeking for. And remember, when you buy the right kind of policy, you want to make sure that the coverage increases over time. So if you don't know your why, you'll end up with a policy that solves someone else's problem, not yours. So keep all that in mind. So as we get into number 2, calculate the right kind of coverage amount. Don't just pick a number. Factor in debts, income replacement, education costs, and inflation. And I know that's hard to do, but you want to think about it. Use tools like the DIME method, debt, income, mortgage, and education, to get a realistic figure. Remember, if you're dealing with the right kind of agent, what they're going to do is a cash flow analysis to figure out how much you could actually save a month, and then you could figure out how to work that into a policy. And underinsuring is just as dangerous as overpaying. Guessing here can cost your family everything. So please keep that in mind, and it's important you I dot and T cross. Let's get into number 3. Understand the policy type. Is it term? Is it whole life? Is it universal? Is it index universal? Is it variable? Whatever it is, they all serve different needs. Understand the pros and the cons of each before you make that decision. And choosing the right type is like using a hammer to fix a leaky pipe. It's not just about the tool, it's about the job, and it's important your agent can explain in very deep detail, not only up front, but in the middle and in the long term, how these policies affect you, both good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get into number 4, which is to review the insurance company's financial strength. That's important, folks. You want to check the rating from the agencies like AM Best, Moody's, or Standard & Poor's. A strong company ensures, here it is, they'll be there for you when you shuffle off this coil and your family actually needs them the most. A policy is only as good as the company backing it and the agent servicing that policy for you. Don't bet your legacy on a shaky foundation. And as we get into number 5, we want to stay alive and examine the policy's riders and options. This is important where an agent must take you through it. Riders can add valuable benefits like accelerated death benefit or waiver of premium. Very important to understand. If you get disabled, mentally or physically can't do your own occupation, you would like to know the insurance company can pay those premiums. Understand what's included and what the extra costs are. The right rider can turn a good policy into a home run or a great one while you're alive, but only if you know that it's there and know that it has strengths that can help you in things you can't anticipate. So a lot of times when I'm sitting down with agents who have certain type of, let's call limiting beliefs and fears, when they do an application with a client, this is number 6, be honest on your application. Sometimes an agent's scared to ask questions. Like, for example, it's important that we know if you saw a psychiatrist or a therapist and what kind of medication you're on. It's important if you smoke, whether it's marijuana or regular cigarettes, or if you drink alcohol. It's important to know what kind of surgery you got in the past. We can't lie on these applications. And sometimes if an agent doesn't ask those questions and it gets to the underwriter, it makes you not look like you're in the right position to the underwriter because the accurate information was inaccurate. So all this can lead to denied claims. Disclose all the relevant health and lifestyle information. It's important that you do that. And it's important that the agent, this is to you folks, I dot and T cross and ask every question under the sun, even if you have to put a cover letter together for the benefit of the insured to the underwriting department of whatever carrier you decide to use. Last but certainly not least, number 7, compare multiple quotes. Don't settle for the first offer. Shop around to find the best rates and coverage. Use independent brokers to access multiple carriers. So really, guys, it's important, gals, to understand that, hey, if I want term insurance, what does that look like? If I want whole life, do I want non-direct or direct recognition? If I want an IUL, I need to fully understand what's inside that contract when it comes to the ceiling and when it comes to the floor, and if they could change the rules. If you understand the difference, you can make a good, sound decision on how to move forward on what kind of insurance you want to use. Life insurance is one of the most important financial decisions you're ever going to make, and you want to do it the right way. These 7 check marks are your blueprint to ensure your policy aligns with your goals and objectives, protects your loved ones, especially when you're sleeping at night. If you're ready to take the next step with confidence, click the link in the description to schedule a free one-on-one consultation with myself or one of my members here at Epic. We will walk you through every detail, answer any question. Our process is about 60 days and 6 calls and help you build a plan that's tailored to sit and fit with whatever your goals and objectives are. And if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building a secure financial future.